Hi guys, this is Austin again with Commuter Cars in Vero Beach. I've got a 2013 F-150 Platinum EcoBoost. This is a really nice truck, guys. I know a lot's going on, but I really feel like now is the time to make a good buying decision. The banks are doing 90 days of first payment, low interest loans. It's rather crazy. Anyway, about the truck, so this 2013 Platinum is a four-wheel drive. It's beautiful. It's got brand new Coopers on it, all four. It's really ready to go. You've got your power seat, two-tone, brown with black, the wood grain steering wheel, the Sony sound system, ventilated and heated seats, your full navigation system, integrated brake controller, on-demand four-wheel drive, power sunroof, and that's pretty fancy. And then aside from the power sunroof, in the back you've got your power rear window. But this truck is clean. It's a really clean truck. And I like the nice little platinum embroidery. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the back. The back is rhino lined, and it's got this nice rolling lock. So this is pretty nice. Pop that open. You do see it's rhino lined. You got your handle. Just come on back, and that's it. And it's lockable. And we have the key. So when you get a chance, if you want to come down and take a look at this, it's probably going to be in Okeechobee, at our Okeechobee store. But give us a call. I think this thing's priced around 20 grand. And if you guys aren't familiar with payments, you do 54, 60 months, 20 grand, decent interest rate. You know, put a couple grand down. I mean, you might have a under 400 payment on a full crew cab 4x4 Platinum F-150 truck. That's just kind of how it shakes out. So come down and see us, and we'll talk to you soon.